It's something most of us don't think about until reaching a certain age, how we will pay for long-term care if we need it in the future, whether that's assisted living or a nursing home.
And those costs just keep going up. Earlier this year, Genworth Financial released its latest survey of long-term care costs in Maine. Check this out, $71,000 a year for assisted living, $115,000 a year for a semi-private room in a nursing home, $127,000 for a private room. These are all median costs, meaning that half of the facilities in Maine charge more, half charge less. Genworth Financial sells long-term care insurance policies.
And today it asked Maine's Bureau of Insurance to allow it to raise premiums on some of its long-term care policies. But it's by how much some of those premiums are going up that's giving policyholders a shock. Some could see their rates nearly triple. And there are signs other insurance companies may follow suit. Here's New Center Maine's Jackie Mundry.
The goal of long-term care insurance is to help pay for the costs associated with assisted living or nursing home care that are not covered by health insurance, Medicare, or Medicaid. And for the more than 4,000 Mainers who have long-term care insurance through Genworth Financial, they could be facing steep rate increases in the new year, anywhere from 56 to 178%, depending on the policy. This comes as the need for long-term care beds continues to grow.
It's estimated that 7 out of 10 adults turning age 65 will probably need some level of long-term care services and supports at some point.
Officials at Genworth and the Maine Bureau of Insurance say the need for long-term care is rising because patients living with Alzheimer's or other long-duration diseases are living longer in those facilities.
Long-term care is probably the most problematic line in the country right now, and Maine is no exception.
The Bureau of Insurance says 400 people signed up for Thursday's online forum with Genworth, and half of them signed up to speak. Many of those people calling in and expressing concerns about the rate hikes.
We're on a fixed income. These increases are an outrage.
Other folks calling in say they were misled when they bought their policies, saying they were told their rates wouldn't go up.
My husband and I bought our policies. I bought mine in 2010, my husband in 2013, and I, on my policy, have already seen over a 57% increase.
We live on a fixed income, so it's really hard. It's going to be very hard. And we were counting on, we bought these policies to take care of our long-term care.
Now policyholders have to decide if they can afford to pay those higher premiums or lose the tens of thousands of dollars they've already paid into their policies. Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.
The Maine Bureau of Insurance says it will post the entire 4-hour forum, as well as links to the reports and presentations discussed.